Alright, today we're out here. We're going to start doing our load development for the 6.5 Swedish Mauser. I have all those odd bullets. They're not really for the Carcano. I was going to do a run with the Lee cruise missile, that huge bullet, but I run into some issues. So now we're going with this NOE bullet. I did a video about it, and you'll see the design. It's a tapered design with a round nose, 151 grain bullet, and we're going to do a load development, and we're going to run about 45 rounds, and we're going to see how it goes. And when you put a lot of work in like this, running it on a chronograph, keeping track of the targets, it helps when using a particular powder and a particular bullet weight to gauge basically where you could get it down to where we'd only have to fire 20 rounds with a different bullet other than 45 rounds to get ourselves acclimated to the powder and the reaction. Alright, these are doing pretty good. I got a dupe 1,698, which pretty good. See how we do here. A little bit slower. So that's our first string. Now we're going to run through 9 strings. I'm not going to bore you with it in this video, but I am going to do a video about the membership. Now the results, the targets, the load data, and all that other stuff I'm going to cover in separate videos. Show you the targets, show you the groupings. That's all going to be on a membership only video. The reason I'm doing that, it's not that much to get a membership. It's $3 a month. It helps support the channel, it helps support the time, effort, and work. And I also advise you, even though we're trying to do this, to get out and shoot these guns a little bit less, for a little bit less. So getting the cost down. But the way the situation is with reloading and that, lead is expensive, good lead. The bullet molds and that, getting the bullets, the cast lead bullets aren't cheap. A lot of places have been put out of business over the years. But the main thing is, when you're using a cast bullet, we're using like at the max, it's going to be 18, 20 grains of powder as compared to about 38 to 45 grains of certain powder for a jacketed bullet. So this is where the cost savings is, and once you develop the load with the cast bullet and iron out all the problems, make sure there's no leading and everything else, you can go out and fire these guns for a little less than, because I have a really nice load with a jacketed bullet for this rifle, and I can shoot it all day long. But with the increasing costs of reloading components and the difficulty in just finding certain powders and that, this may be an option. So I'm going to get back to the morning here where I'm going to spend testing all this, and there's a lot of time in doing this. But I'll kind of come up with an idea of where I'm going with the powder and that. And then when I try to go to other calibers, it gives you a head start to kind of narrow it down instead of doing 45 rounds or something, to increase the efficiency in developing the load. Alright guys, so hit the like button, subscribe, and if you really want to get into the reloading details, get a membership. There'll be a link in the description box. You can hit it. And I'm going to just spend the morning out here working on this bullet and this load.